In this presentation, we'll derive call in spherical coordinate system. Let vector b is equal to br a plus b theta a theta plus b phi a phi, and vector differential operator ar del by del r plus a theta by r del by del theta plus a phi by r sin theta del by del phi. Here ar, a theta, a phi are unit vectors in spherical coordinate system. The call of vector b can be written like del cross b. That we need to find out. Here a theta a phi can be expressed in terms of unit vectors in Cartesian coordinate system like this. These are simple expressions available in textbooks. If you multiply sin theta here with a, we get this expression. If we multiply cos theta with this a theta, we get this expression. If we add these two expressions, then we get x cos phi plus ay sin phi. Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is your 1, and these two terms cancel each other. Now, if we find partial derivative of ar, a theta, a phi with respect to r, then it is 0 because all these three expressions are free from r. There is no r terms here. If we find out partial derivative of ar with respect to theta, we'll get an expression because there is theta terms here. After differentiation, it is a theta, the other one. Now, if we find out partial differentiation of a theta with respect to theta, then we find out this expression because the cos theta will minus sin theta and sin theta will cos theta. But if you take common minus, then that is ar. So we write minus ar. If we take partial derivative of a phi with respect to theta, it is 0 because this expression is independent of theta term. Now, similarly, if we find out partial derivative of ar, a theta, and a phi with respect to phi, these expressions we are getting. This expression, if we take sin theta common, rest are a phi. If we take cos theta here common, the rest is a phi. And here this expression we have already derived here. X cos phi plus ay sin phi is ar sin. So minus x cos phi minus ay sin phi is minus ar sin theta minus a theta cos theta. Right? Minus ar theta. Now we need to find del cross b. Del cross b can be written like this. Ar cross del b by del r plus a theta by r cross del b by del theta plus a phi by r sin theta cross del b by del phi. Let us find out the first term, del b by del r. Then we'll make a cross product between ar and del b by del r. Del b by del r is like this. We have already seen that is expressed here. Now, this expression has here two terms, here two terms, here two terms. So when we partial differentiate this one, then we find ar del br by del r plus br del ar by del r. Similarly, for this also we find two expressions, and this also we find two expressions. The total 6 expressions. Now del ar by del r is 0, del a theta by del r is 0, del a phi by del r is 0. This already we have seen this one. So there remains three factors. These three factors. When we make AR cross product with del V by del R, then we will make AR cross product with all these three terms. Now AR cross product with AR will give us 0. AR cross product with A theta will give us A phi del V theta by del R. Now AR cross product with A phi will give us A theta minus A theta because A phi cross product with AR will give us A theta. AR cross product with A phi will give us minus A theta del V by del R. So first term we have got. Let us find out the second term. Then we can make the cross product. The second term del b by del theta is like this. Now these two parameter here will give us two partial derivatives ar del br by del theta plus br del r by del theta, and these two term will be two partial derivatives, and this gives two. So total 6. Del ar by del theta is a theta. Del a theta by del theta is minus ar, and del phi by del theta is 0. That we have already seen here. Here. Del ar by del theta is a theta, del a theta by minus a. So that we can put it here so that we get 5 terms because this is 0. There are 5 factors here. So now let us take A theta by r cross product with del b by del theta, that we can make here, and A theta cross product A theta will give us 0, and A theta cross product A r will give us minus A phi. That r is here. Then A theta by r cross product with del A r will give us A phi, and that r is here, and this B theta is here. Now A theta cross product A phi will give us A r, this r is here, and del B phi by del theta. So the second cross product is over. The third cross product is here, del B by del phi and A phi by r. So let us find it first. So that del B by del phi is here. The terms are there, 6 terms are here, and these are del A r by del phi is A phi sin theta, del A theta by del phi is A phi cos theta, del A phi by del phi minus A r sin theta minus A theta. This is already we have seen here. Now this we have, so we got here 2 terms, so total 7 terms. That 7 terms will be cross product with A phi by r sin theta. A phi by r sin theta will have a cross product to the del b by del phi. That let us find out. We find out A phi with A phi with 0, A phi with 0, A phi with 0. So A phi cross product AR will give us A theta, r sin theta is here, del b r by del phi. Then A phi by r sin theta cross product with A theta is our minus AR, r sin theta, del b theta by del phi. Then A phi by r sin theta cross product with AR is A theta, that minus comes here, A theta by r sin theta, B phi sin theta, sin theta cancel out. Then A phi cross product A theta is minus AR, minus of minus is plus, plus AR by r sin theta, and B phi cos theta. So here we are getting 4 terms, here getting 3 terms, and in the past case 2 terms, right? So this gives us 2 terms, this gives us 3 terms, this gives us 4 terms. We combine, then we segregate as per the unit vectors AR, A theta and A phi. Now after that we again take a common 1 by r sin theta, then we get this here for AR. For A theta we take 1 by r common, so we get this. And for A phi also we take a 1 by r common, we get this. Now what happens? See, these two are the partial derivative of sin theta b phi, and these two are partial derivative of r b phi, and these two are partial derivative of r b theta. So we write like this. So this is the final expression for del cross b, that is the call of b vector. Thank you for watching.